I'm playing this. Now that is a B minor chord, A minor position. I'm sliding up there to that the D and B, and then the F sharp. And watch this. I'm gonna slide. To the G chord there. Back to the B minor. There's that walking bass line. There's the B minor chord again. A minor to A minor 7. Back to G. A minor. Just in the key of G. To the G chord there. There's the melody. It's a beautiful morning. I think I'll go outside. B minor, go outside for a while, right to that G chord, and just smile. It's just like so easy, it's hard. La, la, la. Just taking some clean, fresh air, 'cause see that says B minor, clean, fresh air, to the D chord, 'cause to E minor, no use in staying inside. Back to A minor, if the weather's fine and you've got the time. And then right back up to B minor. It's your chance to wake up and plan another brand new day. There's that riff, you know, it's just G and B minor, back down to A minor. Just a cadence on that A minor chord. Anyway, just wanted to show you a little something extra. Fun song. Peace.